Hello and welcome to this short video about using PICO to create a search strategy. Once you've decided on the elements of your PICO, you can then break that down to create a search strategy that will help you find an answer to your question. In the previous video, we extracted these terms from an example PICO, so let's look at the ways we can combine the terms to make the search effective and focused on the research topic. Firstly, we can use the operators and, or, and not to combine our keywords or concepts. This is referred to as boolean searching, and using these operators creates a structured search strategy. Similar to mathematical logic, boolean operators need to be combined in specific ways to be effective, so it's important to have a clear idea of how your connectors or boolean operators work. The AND operator asks the search engine to find both of the terms in the results. If only one of the words is present in a document, the document will not appear in the search results list. Both of the terms must be present, so this operator helps to focus or reduce your results. The OR operator helps to expand your results, as it tells the search engine either term is acceptable for inclusion in the search results. In this example, any results containing either the term heart failure or the term cardiac arrest are acceptable, so both will be included in the search results list. The other Boolean connector is not. We don't tend to use this too much as it excludes results. An example would be if we were to search for adult, not adolescent. This tells the search engine to return results that include adult, but to exclude those entries that mention adolescent from the results list. If a document is primarily about adults, but records the word adolescent in any way, the document is excluded from the results list. For this reason, really relevant results can be excluded inadvertently using not, so we don't use this connector very often. Another important factor when using Boolean operators is to be aware that brackets are used to group the OR elements together. These are the synonyms of the keywords that you've extracted for your search. In our example, this means that our terms heart failure or cardiac arrest or myocardial infarction will be bracketed, as will the terms aged or elderly or older adult, as well as nebivolol or beta blocker. You can see here that I've added two versions of the term beta blocker, one with a hyphen and one without the hyphen. It's important to consider if an expression may have variations like this, as a database search engine is very specific and will only locate resources based on an exact match. If you include this type of variation, it ensures your search is comprehensive and that relevant results will not be missed. Another search function to be aware of is phrase searching. Phrase searching ensures words will be found together in exactly that order. For example, heart failure or older adult. This is another technique to assist in obtaining focused search results. If we add phrase searching to our existing OR statements, they will now look like this. You can also use the truncation function available in database search engines. This is where an asterisk symbol is added to a base word, allowing the search engine to find all variations of that particular word in a single search. For example, adding an asterisk to the word teen will obtain results for all variations of this word, such as teen, teens, teenager, teenagers, and teenaged. This function is particularly useful for returning plurals of the search terms, which in turn can expand your results. If we look at our search terms again, we can add truncation to expand some of the keywords. I've added an asterisk to the words arrest, infarction, adult, and beta blocker to capture plurals of these words in the search results. Once you have the structure of the OR statements for your topic, you can now join these statements together using the Boolean operator AND. Our completed statement now reads as follows: heart failure or cardiac arrest or myocardial infarction, and aged or elderly or older adult, and nebivolol or beta blocker with a hyphen. You can see now how careful consideration should be given to deciding on all the possible synonyms of your key concepts from your PICO. Some concepts may have no synonyms, while others may have many. A well-structured search strategy will ensure the best possible results and assist you in locating an answer to your question.